Welcome everyone. Today we're going to teach how to use the Magic Wand tool to cut out an image from the background. Let's start now. First we come to the Magic Wand tool here. Just click this and then we come to the background and just click on the background. Now we see we have select all the backgrounds. Okay, there's two ways to delete this background. The first way is just unlock this background and then just press Ctrl plus X. Alright, we've already cut off this image. This is the first way. And the second way, let's go back first. Alright, the second method we're going to use is to add a layer mask. We just press and hold the outer, and then we come to here. Just press this button. We already cut off the image. The second method is good, is we can just keep the original image here. The layer mask will cover up the selected area and leave the original image undisturbed. If you don't like the selection, what you can do is that just select layer mask and just press down to the rubbish bin here and then just delete this. Alright, then you come back to the original image. Everything is good, no change. Alright, or you just come to the background, click this. If you don't want the original image, you can just use the method 1. Press Ctrl X and just delete everything. Alright, and then you can just move around this image. Alright, we are done. Thank you. Bye bye.